Welcome to a journey that marries the rustic charm of traditional Indian cooking with the comfort of home kitchens. Today we're exploring the world of butter chicken, a dish that has become synonymous with Indian cuisine around the globe. Originating from the vibrant streets of Delhi in the mid-20th century, butter chicken or murg makhani is a testament to the depth and richness of Indian flavors. It's a dish steeped in history, born out of the need to utilize leftover tandoori chicken. The result? A creamy, tangy, and utterly delicious concoction that has won hearts worldwide. Now, on to the recipe. Begin with a pound of boneless chicken pieces. Marinate them for at least an hour in a mixture of yogurt, lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, a teaspoon each of cumin and red chili powder, and a dash of salt. This process infuses the chicken with a depth of flavor that forms the backbone of our dish. While the chicken marinates, let's turn our attention to the gravy. Heat 2 tablespoons of butter in a pan. Add finely chopped onions, stirring until they turn a golden brown. Add a pinch of salt to speed up the process. Next, introduce 2 teaspoons each of ginger and garlic paste, sautéing until the raw smell disappears. Now add pureed tomatoes to the pan, cooking until the butter begins to separate from the mixture. Sprinkle in 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, a teaspoon each of turmeric and chili powder, and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Stir well, allowing the spices to meld together. Next, grill or pan-sear the marinated chicken until it's cooked through. Add the chicken to the simmering gravy, stir well, and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Finally, add a cup of cream, stirring until it's well incorporated. Finish with a sprinkle of dried fenugreek leaves for that authentic touch. And there you have it, a dish that's as rich in flavor as it is in history. Begin with marinating the chicken in a blend of spices and yogurt, then prepare a gravy of onions, tomatoes, and a medley of spices. Combine the chicken and gravy, simmer, and finish with a generous helping of cream and a sprinkle of dried fenugreek leaves. Butter chicken is more than just a dish. It's a journey through the vibrant streets of Delhi, a trip down memory lane, and a warm, comforting hug on a plate. It's a taste of India right in your kitchen, so why not embrace the flavors and embark on this culinary adventure today? After all, nothing brings people together like good food.